This is Nothing Ear 2, the successor to the Ear 1 that made headlines last year. Let's design that Nothing is famous for, Ear 2 has added some substantial features, like an option to set up personal sound profiles which lets you enjoy your music as per your hearing. This requires you to do an ear tip test first, then you take a hearing test. According to the results, a user frequency is set. It also comes with clear voice technology which improves noise reduction. The buds with 11.6mm drivers are loud and can be controlled with touch gestures. The total battery package here is 36 hours. So are you excited to see the Nothing Ear 2? Comment down below. For more informative content, make sure to follow Business Insider India.